what is going on? It's your boy Be So Fitted. I'm back again with yet another video after like a year. My fault. I fell in love. I got a girlfriend. But I'm back again with yet another video. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and review on some jewelry. The video is gonna be on the Gucci GG yellow gold 18 karat studs. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. So Gucci studs, GG's, good game. But yeah, we're gonna be unboxing that, and then yeah, I'll tell you guys if I think it was worth it, if it was worth the purchase, because I paid a pretty penny. But let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Appreciate you. Let's get right into it. All right, y'all, let's unbox these earrings. So I purchased these on NeimanMarcus.com. As you guys can see right there, here's the tag. MSRP is wrong. Shit, I wish I paid $650. MSRP is $750. They are solid yellow gold, 18 carats, like I mentioned earlier in the description. It is not gold plated. It came in this little plastic bag. And then it comes with this little yellow Gucci dust bag, about the size of your hand. It has Gucci on the bottom. Nice material. Mind you, I'm not super into jewelry like that. I'm not the most familiar with jewelry, but I'm starting to gain a little bit more and more knowledge about it. But yeah, it comes in this nice little velvet case. Open it up. It comes bagged up in this little pouch right here. So if you order it online as opposed to in-store, no one's going to have tried on your jewelry. I'm very particular about it. I want mine to be unworn. Some Gucci accessories or tags, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I believe, not too sure, I think this is the SKU number or the serial number. I'm not too familiar. Again, I just wanted this piece because it looked really clean. But yeah, let's open it up. So I'm from California. MSRP is $750 plus tax. You're paying about $820. I was told and I was made aware that these never go on sale, so there was no point in waiting. Tax return was doing me good this year, so I decided to treat myself a little bit. But all right, this is what they look like. Very clean. Again, I got the yellow gold, 18 carats. Excuse my calluses. I be hitting the gym, I be in the weight room. And no, we don't use gloves. So on the engraving, it just says Gucci, made in Italy. So yeah, these are really clean. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. I'm gonna pop these on. And I'm gonna tell you guys whether or not I think it was worth the $750 price tag. All right, y'all, so this is what the earrings looks like on person. Very clean, very classy look in my opinion. I would definitely treat these as a special occasion type of jewelry. It's not something I'd wear every day. Granted, the price tag, granted how loud it is, it does look very clean. I'm very happy with the buy. Is it worth the $750 price tag? In my opinion, probably not. You are paying for the name. I could have easily had one of my jewelers custom make it for me for half the price, but you know, tax return was good to me this season, so I decided to splurge and spoil myself a little bit. But yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys think it's worth it, if it's sleek, if it looks good. I am happy with the buy. I got no regrets on my end. So that's what it looks like, guys. All right, y'all, as far as the unboxing and review goes on the Gucci double G studded yellow gold 18 karat earrings goes, that's pretty much all I had for you guys. I hope you guys found today's video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. The more activity, the more it helps the channel out, so I greatly appreciate that. The next video I'm gonna have for you guys is an unboxing and review on the Nike Air Jordan 4 SB in the pine greens. Those come in on Saturday. Today is Thursday. So yeah, again, I'm gonna be hopping back on this YouTube grind, so more videos to come. Thank you for the love and support as always. And as always, stay fitted for me, y'all. It's your boy Be So Fitted signing off. Only way is up. We out, baby. Let's get it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.